Love you too.
Love you too.
Love you too.
Love you too. Love
Um,
you too.
yeah, that's better. Yeah. You, love you too. I mean, obviously, I'm over enunciating with that mouth movement. You and two.
Love you too. Love you too.
Yeah, that's it.
Love
Yeah.
you
Perfect. Yeah.
too.
And direction is key.
And direction is key.
Direction.
Direction.
Yeah. And over here is the Grand Museum.
And over here is the Grand Museum.
Grand. You want to kind of extend that out. So, and over here is the Grand Museum.
And over here is the Grand Museum.
And over here
And over here
is the Grand.
is the Grand.
How do we write that? So grand. The Grand
The Grand.
Museum.
The Grand Museum.
That's better. Yeah. Oh, no problem. Let me do it for you.
Oh, no problem. Let me do it for you.
Let. So the word let, you're
Let.
gonna let it. Let me do it for you.
Let me do it for you.
That's better. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
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 So it's kind of on the O sound, you kind of want to spread it out a little bit more. So good, like maybe split it up into two words. Good.
Very good. Very
That's better.
good.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, just make that a little bit longer. And then up that register again. So very good.
Very good.
Nice.